Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Based on the video, there was an incident that occurred in Magetan. From the incident, there were 4 victims wounded. The incident occurred due to the negligence of a guard at the railroad crossing. The officer opened the crossing prematurely. From the incident, there is a lesson that we can learn, namely that we must concentrate more when working or studying so as not to cause something bad.